Welcome everyone. My name is Miss Tynisha and this is
Mr. Abdiel.
and we are here to present the Dias y Dias bilingual story time in English and in Spanish. So if you have been catching any of our story times, you know that we have been focusing on the winter season. So I want to know, what is your favorite thing to do in the winter?
I like sledding.
I actually like having a snowball fight. So, the first thing that we're going to do is actually read the story Dias y Dias, or Days and Days, by Ginger Foglesong Guy. And we want to say thank you to HarperCollins Publishers for allowing us to read this story.
Días y Días,
Days and Days.
a book by Ginger Foglesong Guy and illustrations by Renee King Moreno. Brrr, invierno,
Winter.
frío, nieve, hielo,
Cold. Snow. Ice.
days, días y días y días,
Days and days and days.
enero, febrero, marzo,
January, February, March.
entonces,
And then
primavera,
spring.
cálido, nubes, lluvia,
Warm. Cold. Clouds and rain.
días y días y días,
Days and days and days.
abril, mayo, junio,
April, May, June.
entonces,
And then
verano,
summer.
caliente, sol, brisa,
Hot. Sun. Breeze.
días y días y días,
Days and days and days.
julio, agosto, septiembre,
July, August, September.
entonces,
And then
otoño,
autumn.
fresco, neblina, viento,
Cool. Fog. Wind.
días y días y días,
Days and days and days.
octubre, noviembre, diciembre,
October, November, December.
entonces,
And then
brrr, un año nuevo.
a new year. Thank you for listening to our story. So now it's time for us to do our craft. So I'm going to pass out the materials, and Mr. Abdiel, you're going to tell us how to say each word in Spanish. So first we need 2 pieces of paper.
Necesitas 2 pedazos de papel
Yes. And I'm going to give you a pencil
y un lápiz
and a glue stick.
y pega en una barra,
Some scissors.
tijeras
We're going to need some cotton balls.
y algunas bolas de algodón
And we're going to need some winter themed stickers.
y algunos calcomanías de temas de Navidad o de invierno. en este caso, copos de nieve. ¿Cuántos?
Sí.
How many?
Oh, it doesn't matter because they get to kind of pick how many they want. They
So,
receive a lot of them in their
Usted
bag.
decide, cada quien decide cuántos quiere usar.
Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the lighter sheet of paper and trace our hand.
Pues lo primero que vamos a hacer es vamos a tomar el papel más claro y vamos a calcar nuestra mano.
So you want to make sure that your hands are tight like this and then trace it so when you lift it up it looks like a mitten, not a glove.
So va a poner los dedos juntos y van a pasar el lápiz alrededor para que parezca un guante.
Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to cut this out with our scissors.
Y ahora vamos a cortar esto con las tijeras. Con mucho cuidado. Very carefully.
Yes. I think yours looks better than mine, Mr. Abdiel. I like how your mitten looks. All right. So if you are like me and you don't want to flip yours over, you can erase your pencil marks if you want to. You don't necessarily have to, but I am going to do that so my pencil marks can't be seen.
So, podemos hacer esto o borrar las líneas o podemos virarlo al revés si no tiene marcas.
So once you have your pencil marks off or you've turned yours over, you can use your glue stick to glue this mitten onto the darker sheet of paper.
Ahora vamos a usar la pega para pegar nuestro guante en el papel más oscuro. Así que yo voy a poner pega del lado que tiene las marcas del lápiz para que cuando quede pegado las marcas del lápiz no se vean.
Just like this. So once you have yours put down, towards the bottom of your mitten, you're going to add some glue there because that's where we're going to attach the cotton balls.
Sí, entonces en la parte de abajo del guante vamos a poner las bolitas de algodón con la pega. Así que ponemos pega aquí abajo. Ponemos ahí nuestras bolitas de algodón.
Yours looks perfect. Then you can...
Tu mano es más pequeña que la mía. Your hand's smaller than mine.
Yeah.
That's what makes the difference. Look at that.
Well, I guess so. So, the last step is to take some of these winter sticker snowflakes and place them wherever you want on your mitten for decoration.
Pues ahora vamos a tomar las calcomanías de copos de nieve y las vamos a poner para adornar nuestra obra de arte.
Mm-hmm. So your finished product will look something similar to this.
Y cuando tu proyecto esté terminado, se debe ver algo como esto.
Thank you so much for watching our story time. We hope that you enjoyed it.
Gracias por acompañarnos en nuestro tiempo de historia. Esperamos que lo hayan disfrutado.
Goodbye.
Adiós. Hasta la próxima.